Right, meanwhile, commenting on the pig farming project in Bukit Tagar, Selangor, Anwar has called for the proposed centralised plan, which has caused concern among residents, to be either put on hold or relocated to a more suitable location. The Prime Minister said he would hold discussions with Selangor Menteri Besar Datuk Seri Amiruddin Shari to find the best solution to the issue.
Dalam isu ini, isu persekitaran, keresahan rakyat, berbagai kaum di sekitar kawasan baru itu harus diberi perhatian. Saya akan bincang dengan Menteri Besar Selangor, Saudara Datuk Seri Amiruddin, dan supaya bagi pandangan, supaya kalau boleh batalkan dulu projek itu dan pertimbangkan kalau boleh kawasan yang lebih baik dengan syarat teknologi itu terjamin. Kalau teknologi terbaik tapi di kawasan yang menimbulkan keresahan itu tentunya tidak wajar diteruskan.
Speaking after performing Friday prayers at Surau Al-Amin in Bandar Baru Bangi, Anwar said discussions with the Selangor government would take into account advice from the Sultan of Selangor, Sultan Sharafuddin Idris Shah, as well as public concerns. He added that past pollution incidents, including those in Morib, show such projects must be carefully assessed and not treated lightly. Previously, the Selangor government said no alternative site has yet been identified, but it remains open to discussions to ensure a more systematic and well-managed approach to livestock farming. On Gaza, Anwar said Malaysia would find it challenging to express early support for the proposed establishment of a peace board for Gaza without clear and firm guarantees regarding the fate of the Palestinian people.
Itu telah kita bagi pandangan, kita ikuti dan kita agak sukar melainkan ada jaminan yang betul-betul baik dan tegas soal rakyat Gaza dan Palestin, pengiktirafan, menghentikan sama sekali serangan ganas dan biadab oleh rejim Israel dan memulihkan bantuan kemanusiaan. Ini belum dilakukan, jadi kita sukar untuk memberikan dukungan awal.
Previously, Anwar said Malaysia has chosen to be cautious before expressing any support for the establishment of the Board of Peace proposed by United States President Donald Trump, which is aimed at ending the war in Gaza. According to the Prime Minister, the government has yet to obtain clear information regarding the establishment of the board.